Okay, so finding a doctor, it can be difficult, right? Particularly in an emergency, and that's not the time you want to be looking for somebody good. But technology has come to the rescue. We're going to tell you about a new free app that has just come online right here in Houston. And if you're traveling, especially helpful, this new app. And believe it or not, there's pretty much an app for everything. And this one is free, so that's the best detail. The co-founder we have joining us this morning, and as well as a local doctor to tell us about how this service has helped him out just a little bit. So Dr. Tejas Desai, and then also the co-founder of the program, Dr. Oliver Karaz. Thanks for coming in, you guys. We appreciate it. So ZocDoc is the name of this app. What does it do, Oliver?
ZocDoc is the instant way to find a doctor and book an appointment instantly online. You use the app, you go to the website, you put in which insurance you want, what type of doctor, can read reviews and just select a time you want to book, and you do that 24/7. You don't have to call anyone.
But how do I know this person is going to be any good?
So our doctors are reviewed by other patients who have already seen this doctor.
Kind of like Yelp?
It's like Yelp. We have an advantage, though, because we only allow patients who book the doctor through ZocDoc to leave reviews. So we actually know that that patient went there and saw the doctor.
And I can get this app on my smartphone, then I can download it for free?
You download it for free, and it works. It locates you, so you knows exactly what the closest doctor is.
And how many new patients has it brought to you, Dr. Desai? You work with Heights Dermatology, so you're a dermatologist, a specialty doc. And you found a lot of people headed your way because of this?
Absolutely. I believe ZocDoc is just an extension of our practice. And so patients kind of find us, and they can book their appointment online, and then they're there. So they want that appointment, they get it. So I'm in practice with my brother, and so there's two of us. And so probably we've gotten about, I'd say, close to 13 patients in 1 week. And so it's been great for us.
What types of specialties? Because I know dermatology is one of them, but does ZocDoc cover?
Right now, we just launched in Houston, so right now we cover primary care doctors, dermatology, and OB-GYNs. We are obviously expanding very fast, and we'll offer pretty much all specialties you can think of.
Can you also find information on ZocDoc about what types of insurance they accept? Because moving to different cities, I have found that to be an issue.
Absolutely. You put in the insurance and the plan you have, and we'll show you which doctors are in network for this insurance.
Great. And then any advice to someone looking for a doctor? I mean, is there any improvement that ZocDoc can make, or do you feel like they really get down to the nitty-gritty in finding those doctors and giving all the details?
I think it's pretty good because you have all the feedback from other patients, and so obviously you're going to see some consistency there, And there's a lot of patients out there that don't really have to really see a doctor, but they may just want to see a dermatologist for, say, cosmetics or something, and it's not really medically related. So, that way they could find out who's been established and who's in the area.
Maybe what procedures you do as well? Is that listed?
There's a whole profile of myself and my brother on the site.
And then also, we mentioned when you're traveling, it's always difficult to find an emergency doctor. Those types of details are listed, and this is something that you can find nationwide?
We're right now live in 7 cities, and we are in the process of a nationwide rollout. But one of the benefits is, in Houston, for example, the average time to see a doctor is 23 days from the time you make the appointment till you can actually see them. On ZocDoc, 40% of the appointments are same day, within 24 hours, 60% are within the next 3 days.
Right.
And so it's really the way to go see the doctor when you need him, when you're sick.
All right, it is ZocDoc. And thanks so much, Dr. Karaz. Thanks for coming in. Dr. Desai, thanks again for spending